Sing me a song of a lass that is gone. Say, could that lass be I? Mary of soul, she sailed on a day over the sea to sky.
Hey guys, Alvine here. So today I'm taking you for a little walk down to like my local park area. I wanted to see if I could find some crow's feathers, and I've actually already found two on my walk over here, but I think there'll be loads more in the park area. Let me show you where we're going. Here we are. It's windy today, so I hope it doesn't sound too windy in the camera. So down we go. Sorry, I had to leave my sunglasses on because it's like crazy glary today. Maybe I'll try and not be rude. It's so bright. Okay, here we go. You can hear my thongs clip-clopping. I always wear my sensible shoes to the park. Here we are. You can hear the ducks. Let's go see the ducks first. So I moved from the beach. It was really nice having water right there. And I've moved more inland, but there's still water, which is awesome. Well, the ducks are coming over to say hello. They want food. They know what people means. There's geese over there watching me warily. So this is our local swimming pool. Over in that tree there, there's a rope swing. So Sean and Elisha, my husband and son, love to come here when it's hot, and so do a bunch of other local kids and swing off there. Super fun. Oh! Alright, now for the crow's feathers. We have geese telling each other off in the background. There's a pretty feather. Just a little white one. I like to call these spirit, or I call these, I should say. I like to call them spirit feathers. Let's see what we got up here in the park today. Some pigeons. I wanted to show you a cool spot by the creek since we're down here. I wonder what the water's looking like today. Murky, yes, it's been raining. Oops. How cool is this bridge? So this is my local best nature area. I love coming down here. There's always something to discover. There's a big tree that I'm coming up to now that has like a hole in the trunk. You can see today? Sort of. You wouldn't be able to see on camera, I don't think, but there's a beehive in there, which is really cool. So you see the bees coming in and out. The water's higher today. Let me show you. Sorry, this is so choppy, I have to like readjust. It's beautiful here. I love all the sounds of nature. The birds. Do my darnest not to fall down. crow over there. Okay, this is me next to one of the branches of the tree. And you see how huge, like, I couldn't even reach my arms halfway around this one branch. And there's a kookaburra. There you go, you get to hear a kookaburra. Way over the tree. I think it's actually in this tree somewhere. Oh no, it's the next tree over. Let me see if I can show you them. One just flew past. Oh, there's a giant spiderweb I almost stood into. It's the Australian bush. Something's gonna kill you. Can you see him? Good thing is kookaburras eat snakes. Hey there. Hi. Check this out, you guys. It's like a fairy pool. Well, kind of. Lots of bacteria growing through here. In winter, all of this floods and the water comes through, but obviously it doesn't go anywhere much in summer. This is the other side. So a dry riverbed now. I can't wait to see what it's like in winter. Big rains are coming soon, so we'll see. Everyone's out for their walks now, so I'm going to head back. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of where I connect with Mother Nature. And I would love to see yours, your little spot of Mother Nature, big spot, little spot, plant, whatever it is. I would love to see. I wish you all much love, many blessings, and I'll see you in the next video.